Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak videos. First, plan your video's narrative, deciding on the key moments you want to capture, like seasoning, searing, and the final slice. Good lighting is crucial. Natural light near a window works wonders to showcase the steak's beautiful crust and juicy interior. Remember to get those satisfying close-up shots. To make your steak videos pop, shoot from various angles. Get overhead shots of the pan, eye-level views of the cooking process, and tight shots of the seasoning. Don't forget sound. The sizzle of the steak hitting the pan and the satisfying sound of a knife slicing through it add so much. A tripod ensures your shots are steady and professional. Once you've filmed, it's time to edit. Keep your video concise and engaging, cutting out any unnecessary pauses. Choose background music that enhances the mood without overpowering the natural sounds of cooking. Finally, color correct your footage to make that steak look as delicious on screen as it does in real life, enhancing its rich browns and reds. For advanced techniques, try incorporating slow-motion shots of seasoning falling or juices dripping for a dramatic flair. Time lapses can also be effective, showing the steak marinating or resting perfectly. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. These tips will help elevate your steak videos to the next level, making them truly mouth-watering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.